So this is the release, column A is release 2011, 2012, 2101 and 12. Let's just take the example of 2001. Yes, column B is estimated hours, column C is a yes no, column D is what I'm doing the calculation on column A and getting the right two characters from the text in column A so that I can get the number of the month, that is November is 11, so that I can calculate the -2 and +1 for the months to get September and October, and the December as well. Now what change I've done is, with these numbers, with these characters as January to December, I have taken 1 to 12 here, and for the months, 1 for January and so on and so forth, and then I'm using these numbers to do my calculations. The Jan Feb are just to demonstrate for the business in Excel. You can directly convert this, it's not needed. You can use this formula to convert a number into month. E1 text as a function, E1 will be this one, 1 into 29, and convert it into month, 3 characters of the month, and that's how it goes in others as well. This is not important for your calculations, you can just write it down as well, just since these are just 12 columns. The main function here is this, which I am applying on the first condition. There's nested if. The first if is just to check if it is a yes or no, so this will check for a yes or no here. If it is a yes, it will do the same conditioning. If it is a no, then also it will do the same conditioning, but if it is a yes, it will multiply by 0.3, and if not, it will multiply by 0.1 with the estimated hours. So what calculation I'm doing in this if is, I'm checking if E1, that is our current month, the month in which this formula is written, is smaller than or smaller than the D. So basically the logic is, since we are dealing with November -2 and November +1, what I'm doing is I'm checking if my month stays between November -2 and November +1. So I'm just using and instead of using a between. Okay, so this will check if this month is between October, but is smaller than December, or smaller than January, that is December, and is greater than September, that is either October, November, December, sorry, greater than August. So greater than August and smaller than January, that is between October, November, September, October, November, December. That's what it checks. So if this is a yes, and then if my month lies between the desired 4 months, then I will do a B3, that is the estimated hours, into 0.3. If my month doesn't lie between this, I will do nothing. It will be a blank. And then if it's a no, that is else of the outer if, then I would check for the same things. If my month lies between my desired 4 months, then I would do a 0.1, else I will leave it blank. So that's why you see this Jan, Feb, March is blank, right? And only September, October, November, December are multiplied by 0.3. 12 is multiplied by 0.3, that is 3.6 for a yes. For a no, all those 4 months are multiplied by 0.1 value, that is 1.6 into 0.1 is, sorry, 16 into 1.1 is 0.1 is 1.6. So that's why this. Now this fails kind of for the boundary values, because 12 plus 1, the boundary values that I'm creating here, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 is not a month in here. That's why it fails. I have to round it after 12 to calculate from 1 to 2, but since you are just dealing with November release, this formula would work perfectly for you.